Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about a very beautiful plant called Allamanda. Allamanda is such a popular plant, you will see them everywhere. They have these big colorful trumpet-shaped flowers which makes them so attractive. They instantly draw your attention. It is a flowering creeper or semi-climber that grows upright and tall. Mostly they come in this bright yellow color. They also have a maroon variety which looks stunning. Now Allamandas come in many varieties. You will also find small bush varieties that are great for growing in containers. To grow them in a container, you should take a 10-inch pot to get the best results. They are great plants for any garden. They attract a lot of wildlife, and with minimum care, you will get lots of flowers. They flower from early summer through monsoon till the beginning of winter, and they bloom really well in the rainy season. Allamandas grow best in a tropical climate. They like heat and humidity. To get maximum flowers, you should give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. They are sun-loving plant, so they will not flower well if they get too much shade, but you can give them afternoon shade during the summer months. If you plant Allamandas in the ground, they won't need any extra care, but in containers they do better with some care. For potting mix, use a good quality soil to get the best results. Add some compost with the potting mix. Add a few tablespoons of bone meal, and that will be enough. Make sure the drainage is good. As fertilizer, you can add liquid mustard cake fertilizer weekly. Every 30 days, you can apply some bone meal, and time to time keep adding compost to get a healthy plant throughout the year. In winter season, you don't have to add any fertilizer. It is the dormant period. You can start feeding from the springtime. Allamandas do better in a humid environment. They don't like dry conditions. If the soil gets too dry, the leaves and the flowers start to drop, so always maintain moisture and water them well in the hot summer months. Don't let the soil get too dry. You can easily grow them from stem cuttings. They root very well. Here you can see I have planted a stem cutting and now it's growing so well. Growing them from cutting is very easy. If you want a bushy plant and lots of flowers, you should prune them time to time. They're fast-growing plants and pruning will help them shape well. Springtime is the best for pruning. Usually they don't get a lot of pest problems, that's a plus point. You can use neem oil if you see any pest. After 1 or 2 years, you can repot them and add new soil to boost new growth and get more flowers. This is pretty much all you need to do to grow Allamandas. These are one of the best low-maintenance flowering plants, so definitely grow them. And if you have any queries, post it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.